gotta put gotta save, share the right device, which is, oh, not that, that, and that. Sweet potatoes. And it's a bit tiny, but I'll just make it bigger. Okay, so we're just tending existing trades, the Euro 50 on the daily. I thought this was the roof, so I have my stop loss to sort of breaks when the daily comes online, but now I realize it's not the roof, so I'm going to go back to the hourly and just put my stop loss to break even and hope for the best. I'm going to change it to there, an hour. Can we just add that to our favorites? That's great, thank you. So I put my stop loss here because I thought, yeah, look, it just goes da 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 da. This is the hourly chart, so hopefully it's going to break up, right? I'm just going to put my stop loss down to $1.68, so hopefully it won't hit it. Got a good entry because I put my limit order on the bottom of that candle and hit it, bam. But now if I was trading on the hourly, I'd just take that because that's a good profit. And it's hit this top level so many times, 1 2 3 4, but historically it has been above that up here. This is what, 2025 March, so like that last month. So I'm hoping it'll carry me further and not just stop me out with 68 cents. Next, S&P 500, also for trading the hourly, that's a good place to get out, but I want some long-term trades, my bro. Let's switch to daily, and this, is it gonna go up? According to my system, it is above the super trend line, so it should be up. It should keep on going up. But when, where, and how, who knows? So I'll just leave that. I've got my stop loss set to break even. I don't even see my stop loss. Let me just go. Where's my stop loss? Is it way down there? I didn't even see it. Is there like an edit trade? Protect position. Stop loss is at negative 0.1, so we want to put it at 1 pip. How many pips up are we? I don't even know. There you go, price is there. 0. We want to put it to 0.1, so we want to get 16 cents. I don't know what I just set it to. Okay. Protect position 0.1. We want to get at least 16 cents out of it because we're paying interest on this loan. I don't know how much. Probably a fair amount. Probably more than 16 cents. If I was trading the hourly, I'd just take it, but I want it to go up. See, it is up. It's a higher high, a lower high, a higher high. Who knows what Trump's going to do next? Nobody knows. US, Japan, I am down. So looking at the long term, yeah. Okay. Long term, it should be going up. We should be fine. See, it's got this range about and we've got to take profit up there. We've got a stop loss down here, but it's not going the right way right now. So hopefully it will go. Nothing to do there. Euro CAD. Same thing. We hoped to get. What are we doing here? Why did we short it? Why are we risking $100 to short it? I don't see why we shorted it here. Because we think it's range bound. Because it hit that top. Look. We're hoping it's not going to hit that top. And we were greedy. Look, we get $600 if it gets to the bottom. I was so greedy when I took that. I should have waited until it started going down. Oh, maybe we did get it. Maybe our stop loss was exactly perfect. Look, it just didn't hit it. So maybe we'll do alright. Alrighty, $10 negative. Okay. Hopefully it'll keep going down and we'll make some kajani money. Singapore, that's doing great. Looking at the hourly, that's not the hourly. Change to this and the hourly. Same thing. We've put the hourly. We used this line as a stop loss, so we'll get at least $90. But we're up 150 right now. We want to hold it as long as we can. I think that's good. Nothing to do. should we stop doing that? Okay, and Shift Japan, also not a good one. We're down $40. So this is the daily. What possessed me to make this trade? I can't remember. We're buying it because it looks like it's going up. And then okay, yes, sorry, we can't do that chart on the hourly. There we go. It does look like it's going up. Must have gone in here, right? And we got the bottom because I did a limit order. So it's like, oh, there's a bottom. Let's grab the next bottom, and we did. But it hasn't bounced up off it, which is what I would love to happen. And the stop loss is down here, which is that's a safe stop loss. I think we're okay. We'll just, it's 100. Why is my stop loss 136 and not $100? It should be $100. Grr. Did I do that wrong? Must have moved it or something terrible. Let's just move it up until it says $100. Let's see where it ends up. Ew. Yeah, okay, I guess the stop loss is going to be there now. See, that's what happens when you get greed. I'll just risk 130 and leave it where it was. Just leave it where it was. Because that's a good low on the hourly. It has not reached it in the past. I think it'll turn up. This is Shift Japan, so we want the shift to go up and the Japan to go down. We'll just leave it. Great. Should we look for some new entries? Let's have a look on Oanda. Get the old instruments out. Euro US. Oh, we put a sell limit here, so on the daily we are short and we want to get in because this is a nice slide down. It's probably going to be like that. And we wanted to get in at a good price, but we have been unable to do so. So maybe I will change my sell limit. We had it up there. Maybe we'll just short it right now. Although the hourly trend is up. I'll just move it to there. But let me handle that in here because that'll help me. Euro USD. Euro USD is also so choppy. So looking at the hourly, our sell limit is there. That's a good sell limit, and our risk is 103. Let's just change it so that it's 1%. Already is 1%, so we're good. Nothing to do. Modify order, I guess, just to make it. So if it goes up and hits that level, we'll be in shorting, and then if it goes up to there, we'll lose $100. But hopefully, it will go all the way down to here. Take profit, and I take profit as what? No, I don't even see what it is in dollars. 1,200, yeah, baby. But it might take, how many years is that to get, how many years was that scoop? 103 days, so like just over 3 months. Okay, next instrument. That one we should be in it. We should be longing it again, but we're not. Let's see if we can get a good entry. Aussie US, it is going down. Let's just keep an eye on it for now and not put any orders in. Pound US, that is, look, it's a good price. It went down to a discount price, so it's a good time to get in. And let's have a look at it historically. It seems to be up to there and has never gone above that, so that's a historical high right there. Is the pound going to get any stronger? I mean, oh, it has been in the past, look, but that was what, 2022, 21? Times are always changing, so I think it's a good chance to get in. Let's have a look on the hourly. So we could get in there perhaps. $1.32, and our stop loss would be down here at $1.313, and we're gonna put an entry at, we'll put it at that line there, 132,663. So let's just go to here. Pound USD, because Trading View gives us a really nice way to get entries, you know. So it was, to be down there, $1.32, and then a stop loss is going to be down. Oh, we can just literally do it on here. Look, so if it hits that, maybe there, a little bit higher than that low. This is the hourly. Okay, now I want to put it lower. No, it should be fine because it's got higher low. So yeah, let's put it exactly on that low. So if we make it, we make it. If we don't, we don't. It's a limit order. We want to buy. We want the stop loss to be down there. That's $2,000. We want the risk to be 1% of our account. Let's see if you set the risk in TradingView. It sets the units perfectly to your stop loss. So that's $100, and we want it to be. See, I'm looking at the line way over here. We don't want it to repeat that low. So if it gets lower than that, we'll lose $100. Otherwise, if it goes in here, touches that line, it'll get us into the trade with a discount. I think this is a good. Now I don't want to, what do you call over? Oh, you know what I didn't do is set it to be good today. I'll give it until next Sunday. Now Friday night in Brisbane is actually usually really choppy. And the other thing I'm going to say is I don't want to over diversify because I've already got US here, got US here, and Euro, and yeah. Let's look for more entries. US pound, US Japan. So we're already in on that and we're losing money, but I think it's a good deal. Euro Japan. We should be up on that, but it is, look, lower high, lower high, lower high. Not a good entry. Aussie. Come on, Aussie. I missed my limit again. Oh, I bought this. I put my stop loss at break even and it hit my stop loss. Okay, let's do it in here. AU 200. We want to buy it at a good price. Oh, look. I didn't get my buy limit and I missed out. So sad. And I had it. I bought it like here and then it stop lost me out. And I missed out. I should have just been steadfast and stayed. And now it's shooting up out of the stars, but I don't want to buy it at the high price. I want to buy it at the low price. So I'll change this to here. Modify. And then I'll change this to here. So if it comes down to here, we'll buy it. And if it goes further down, we'll lose $100. That's nice. Okay. And we definitely want to buy it because look at that. It's shooting out of the sky. This is the daily. Oh, it's the hourly. Look at the daily. Shooting. I mean, it's a good long run there. Wish I bought it here, which I did on my other account, but not on this account. Okay. I think Bitcoin. I don't want to lie. I'm pretty sure I do. Bitcoin shooting out the sky, but we're too poor to afford Bitcoin. So sad. Can I even buy 0.1 of a Bitcoin? 10k. That's my whole account. It'd be good to get in here on the hourly, and then let me just have a look at it. Get in here on the hourly, and stop loss where? There. Okay, I think we can handle that. Okay, let's do it. Right here, just above that line. Create new order. You can't trade Bitcoin TradingView here and then because it's someone else's Bitcoin. We need to find Oanda's Bitcoin. That's right there. Bitcoin USD. There we go. Okay, so same symbol, different broker. And right there, create new order. And it's a limit order, and our stop loss is going to be. Can I draw it? Can I just type it? We want it to be about there, which is 100,677. 100,677. Bitcoin is also a crazily. So we can buy 0.08 of a Bitcoin. That's fantastic. And limit, and it's ready to go. Although I would say that let me just move the stop loss down a little bit because it is quite choppy. think that the trouble in what I'm feeling is that you see how choppy it is. I mean, that's like, what's the ATR? We can't put an ATR. Let's just have a look at it here. The indicator of ATR, the average true range. This is per hour. So right now it's super choppy because in 1 hour it changed $2. And we're putting our limit, and how far away is our limit from our stop loss? It's 100,005, no, $1,054, $1,046. In the hourly, is it going up? No, it's not. It's got a higher high, it's got a lower high, higher high. It's just choppy. But it seems to be pretty stable in that stream there. I think we can make some quick money on it, although I am risking $100. Next instrument, please. I better get to work. I've got to start work. I think I'll do the rest